This video is step-by-step instructions for creating a classroom in repl.it. So to begin, we go to repl.it. Here we need to either sign up or authenticate. I like to authenticate using Google. And so once we're authenticated, it says welcome. Now, the default is as a user, and so what we need to do is we need to let it know that we are an instructor. So I clicked on the username profile, and now I click on edit your profile. I scroll down here to roles and click on teacher, and then I click on save so that it knows that I'm a teacher. Now as we click on the teacher link up here to have teacher functionality, and we can put in the name of our organization or university, wherever we are. All right, well, now that it takes us to our classrooms, and so there are none created, and so we just click on create classroom here. You can give it a name for your classroom. It could be computer science 1, or I'm just going to use usability study because that's what this is about. You can pick your language, what computer programming language you need to specify one, and that's the programming language for the whole classroom. And then you can give a description, you can give some cover images if you want. If you leave it as public, it can be free up to 200 users, or you can upgrade for private classrooms. Click on create classroom, and there you are. You've created a classroom in repl.it. Check out my other videos for creating assignments in repl.it.